Hey guys, what's up? So welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to share with you Nykaa haul, and I ordered few things from Nykaa which I really wanted to share with you guys. So I thought why not share a haul video. So here I am with the Nykaa sale haul because I have purchased these items on sale. So without any delay, let's get start further in this video. But before going further, do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and also hit that bell so that you will get notification for all of my videos. So let's get started. The first thing I have purchased is this. This is from the Inside Cosmetics. This is their Inside Cosmetics matte lipstick, and I have ordered a nude shade. I assumed I have ordered a nude shade, but this is sort of a, you can say, burnt red or a little bit peach, with a little bit of peachy tone. I don't know, but yes, it has a hint of nude in it. So here is the swatch of this shade. Hope you can see, and this is how it looks like. I really don't know if I will wear this shade or not. Actually, this is not a nude shade. You can see it has a hint of orange and also a little bit of burnt reddish sort of shade according to me. So I have purchased this one in the shade A16, and this shade name is Warm Nude, and I think I have got it in just ₹80. This is such an affordable lipstick. So if you want to try different types of shades, and if you are a beginner, then you can definitely go for this particular one, guys. So next I have purchased deodorant. This is Nivea's Pearl and Beauty deodorant, and this is how it looks like. इनकी पैकेजिंग चेंज हो गई है. लास्ट टाइम मैंने काफ़ी टाइम पहले ऑर्डर किया था. आई थिंक 1 year ऑलमोस्ट हो गया होगा. सो दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. आई रियली लाइक इट्स फ्रेग्रेंस, एंड इसकी पैकेजिंग मुझे अब वाली ज़्यादा अच्छी लगी बिकॉज you have to just like tick and rotate it in order to get the product, and when you just rotate it again on the opposite direction, then it's sealed, which is really great. I really love the packaging, guys. So it was for 199 rupees. Its MRP is 199 rupees, but I got it for just rupees, I think 170, but I will mention the price on screen. So next I have ordered this We Wash. This is their Expert Intimate Hygiene Wash. This is how the bottle looks like. I have shared this product previously in my videos, and it's pretty good actually. So this is 100 ml of product, and MRP of this one is 180 rupees. I have got it for just rupees 140. I guess I will mention the price on screen again, guys. Next thing I have purchased is this Gillette Venus Breeze razor, and I can't tell you guys how much I love this product. It has these gel bars which work really great. I think it's work very closely to the soap, you can say. It will act as a great moisturizer while shaving. So I will definitely going to prefer this one in place of that जो भी उनका जो original वाला variant आता है, तो उसके comparatively I will prefer this one, and it's really great, guys. This is for 299 rupees. I think on a discount I have got this one for rupees 245, and this is really great product, guys. You can definitely go for it. So next I really wanted to try these Wadi Herbals under eye cream, because the previous one which I have ordered, I think a year or 1.5 years back, I have not used that one. Like not too much, so I think that is also expired, but मुझे नहीं लगता शायद वो expired हुआ होगा, but उसकी expiry date बिल्कुल vanish हो चुकी है. But I really want to risk for my eyes, so that's why I have purchased 2 of these. I really wanted to try this, so अभी मैं इन्हें try करूँगी. Each one of this retails for 95 rupees, and it has 30 grams of product. And the shelf life is, I think, almost 3 years, which is really great. You have this kind of packaging here. I have purchased 2 of these, and wait, let me share with you after opening the packaging as well. So after opening the packaging, you will get this छोटी सी डब्बी, but I think it is really enough for you for around 4 months according to me. Fragrance of is mild, not too overpowering. I have got this one for rupees 70, around 70 I think. I have heard lots of good things about this one, so I'm very excited to try these, guys. Next, इसे तो मैंने बिल्कुल बबल रैप से ओपन भी नहीं किया है. Next, I have ordered this sanitizer from Nykaa, and this is Nykaa Clean Hand Sanitizer. This is a 100 grams of bottle, and it has 70% of alcohol, which is enough to destroy that germs. So this is in this cute pink sea bottle. I really love it. And this one is for just ₹50. I think for this quantity this price is pretty decent. And let me check the fragrance. The cap is like really stiff according to me, and the fragrance is really nice. It reminds me of some kind of soap or shampoo. I don't know, मुझे अभी तक अच्छी तरह से याद नहीं आ रहा है, but it reminds me of some kind of fragrance. Here is the second last product, and let's head over to the last product from this haul. So next and the last product is this. This is neem wash vegetable and fruit wash with neem and citrus fruit as extracts, obviously. So this is how it looks like, and ये इतनी ज़्यादा ह्यूज बॉटल है और ये आपको सिर्फ 99 रुपीज़ में मिलती है गाइस. दिस इज़ रियली ग्रेट. अगर आप कोई भी फ्रूट या वेजिटेबल लेके आते हो, सो आप इससे उसको वॉश कर सकते हो. सो आज के दिस कोविड काइंड ऑफ सिचुएशन में आई थिंक दिस काइंड ऑफ प्रोडक्ट इज़ लाइक रियली ग्रेट एंड इट विल बी रियली हेल्पफुल इन आवर हाउस होल्ड वर्क्स. सो फ्रूट एंड वेजिटेबल्स तो लाइक सभी के घर में आती ही हैं थोड़े थोड़े दिन बाद. सो दैट्स वाई आई थिंक दिस इज़ रियली हेल्पफुल प्रोडक्ट फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस. एंड ये 500 ml की बॉटल है. यू कैन सी दिस इज़ रियली ह्यूज. एंड ये आपको जस्ट ₹99 में मिलती है और इस प्राइस में आई थिंक दिस इज़ रियली ग्रेट. एंड यू कैन सी दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक, एंड आई थिंक दिस इज़ अ मस्ट हैव गाइज. यू मस्ट गो फॉर दिस प्रोडक्ट. So that was the last product guys from this Nykaa haul video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button guys if you like this video, and also share this video with your friends and family. I'll back soon with another video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.